when we think about firearm violence in general, it is more than just picking up a firearm. It's all the behaviors and all the issues that lead up to that, whether that's exposures to violence in our communities or in our families. We need to think about school violence prevention as to go beyond the walls of the school. That creating safe schools means also creating safe neighborhoods, also means creating safe home environments for our unity. And we consistently find many negative outcomes as a result of exposure to violence. Even if you're not the victim, even if you've not been personally hurt physically by that, but being in that school is a traumatic event. And we need to put supports in our schools for, especially after a school shooting, to help youth kind of cope with the fact that that this happened in their school. That is not a trivial event and has significant developmental consequences. As it's very much like a soldier coming back from war with PTSD. Well, those are adults. You can imagine for a child, this it doesn't take quite as much to throw their balance off and to throw them off in terms of what they feel is safe. And one of the main needs we have as humans is food and water and safety. And we have to think about what are the consequences when we don't provide safe contexts for our children to grow. Violence very much is a public health problem. There are economic as well as social and emotional consequences. There are community consequences, and so it's very much a public health problem, and it's a criminal justice problem, and it's an economic problem, and it's a epidemic in the United States that we need to address, and we need to address seriously.